If you're managing a growing business IT network, or even a professional workspace you already know. Network speed, reliability, and scalability are non-negotiable. Meet the ultimate network upgrade, the Cisco SRW2048-K9-EU 48-port Gigabit switch. Designed for enterprise-grade performance, this switch delivers the power, flexibility, and security that modern networks demand. It's not just a switch, it's your network's central command. Let's talk about why this beast is the go-to choice for IT professionals and smart organizations. Massive 48-port gigabit capacity, whether you're running dozens of desktops, IP phones, printers, or access points. This switch has the bandwidth to handle it all. No bottlenecks, no lag, just seamless high-speed performance. Layer 2 management features you not just plugging in cables, you getting full control over your network with advanced VLANs and traffic management tools. Prioritize what matters. Control how your network behaves. Business class security. Protect your data and prevent unauthorized access with port security. Access control lists and 802.1x authentication. Enterprise-grade security right out of the box. High-speed backbone integration. Use this switch as the backbone of your business infrastructure. It integrates smoothly with servers, routers, and network storage for ultimate scalability. Built to last, it's a true workhorse in demanding environments. Engineered by Cisco, the gold standard in networking. This device is made for 24/7 uptime, rugged performance, and long-term reliability. Easy deployment with rack-mountable design, clear LED indicators, and intuitive controls. Setup is quick and painless. Even in large deployments, with intelligent energy-saving features, this switch runs efficiently while reducing heat output and operational costs. Energy efficient? I now run 30+ endpoints on this. It hasn't dropped once. Michelle T, it just works. The configuration options are ideal for our hybrid office setup. Mark D? Yes, power matters. Smooth file transfers, no downtime. It's made our team 3x more productive. Hassan, let's hear from real users who rely on the Cisco SRW2048-K9-EU every day. We upgraded our entire office network with this switch. Original Cisco hardware, trusted by IT professionals worldwide. Easy to rack, reliable as always from Cisco. Worth every penny. This is the core of our network, and it's rock solid. Cisco quality. No compromises. Faisal Ka, these aren't just reviews. They're experiences from businesses just like yours, powered by a switch they can depend on. If you're serious about building a high-performance, scalable, and secure network, don't settle for generic switches. Go with what the pros use. The Cisco SRW2048-K9-EU. A device designed to deliver power, performance, and peace of mind. Order now via the link in the description below. Fast shipping. Found this helpful? Like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more network, gear reviews, and business tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and power up your network the right way with Cisco.